Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your avatar section, of course, which is on roblox.com my and avatar slash avatar. So next what you will have to do is go to your accessories section and then just go ahead and click face. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will click the items that you would want to wear at once. So click advanced, by the way. And then now what you will have to do is you will copy this code right here, and then you will paste it on the asset ID, and then this as well. Then copy it again and just do the same thing for the face accessories that you would want to add. So once you're done choosing your multiple face accessories, you will just have to paste it all here, and then you will just have to click save. So confirm this basically, and then just wait for it to load. And as you can see, you're now wearing all of the items that we've opened earlier. So yeah, that's basically just how you wear multiple face accessories or any accessories at once. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.